Right, hi everyone, here we are at Dusseldorf 2026. This is a brand new model from Jeanneau. It is the 9cc Series 2. It's got some interesting features. It is actually very different in layout to the previous 9 Cap Camarat, but this one is a brand new model. So let's have a quick look around. Firstly, we've got a wider bow. We've got this nice backrest for the seats, which stow like that. We've got electric anchor windlass up here and storage inside this locker in here. It's got really nice soft decking. There's new colourway with this grey and sort of oak coloured storm weatherproof upholstery. But this is the big bit. Where is the cabin? Well, we pull this lever here. Under here you can see how they've cleverly put the cabin in the bow. So you access this from the front of the boat. And I really like this option because it can be quite difficult to helm the boat and have people popping up and down through the cabin. And that sliding door on the old version was always slightly dangerous. If you hit the brakes, you could fall down the cabin door. Well, here we've got lots of space. There's an option for separate heads down here. So if I climb down below, so you can have this heads enclosed here. You can see the line there, and there's also a shower option as well. This drops down to create a double berth. That folds out like that, and then you've got this one which unclips here. And then the cushions for the infill are here. So we've got a double berth in here, and it's quite a good size. And then back here we've got another double berth option. The cushions aren't on this one, so you can sleep 2 up there and 2 up here, and then you've got someone sit on the toilet there as well. It's nice and airy down here. You've got lots of lights. There's an opening hatch here as well. You can open it from the inside of the cabin as well, and there's even a little speakeasy access panel here through to the helm, so you can order your drinks from the back of the boat. Right, let's have a look at the back. So as usual on the 9cc, you'd expect nice big open side decks, and we're not disappointed here. The great thing is I'm 5'9", this rail comes up to my hips, so you feel like you're in the boat rather than on the boat, so really nice and safe. There's lots of storage down here. You've got room for rods or just storing ropes and life jackets. You've got your midship cleat as well. And then coming aft, we've got this screen which encloses the helm position. Really nice. I know it's kind of American-esque, but what I really like about it is it gives you a dry driving position. And what's more, the driving position is central now. So a bit like on the bigger Cap Camarats, you've got 3 seats now, but you're in the middle of the boat, so the balance is much better. You can see both sides. You've got really good vision, and you're totally dry inside this very, very solid T-top. This is the hatch I was telling you about, so you can send your orders down below. This has got the helm master on it, so it's electric steering again, so you can have the joystick option if you want. You've still got a bow thruster, and you've got these nice little bolsters here, so you can sit up, and you've got a really good visibility and steering position. Coming over this side here, we've got the side deck, which we're seeing on all the boats now. So this one's got a ladder in and out the water, but it creates a nice little space for water sports, jumping off, and you can still access on and off the back at the stern there. As you'd expect, you've got pop-away seats, so your U-shaped seating is here. You've got this big table, and then under here we have got the galley. So even bigger galley than last time. Lots of space, lots of room. Still got your fridge. Plenty of storage. And on the back we got Yamaha engines, ski pole, shore power, There's a shower there for washing off. And this one's got the soft decking on it, which is really nice actually. So there we go, the 9cc Series 2. For more questions, pop a little message down below or send us an email. Thanks for watching.